Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem we have this afternoon is calculate the unknown angle. Okay, so this is what they gave you. They told you quite a bit about each one of these and the different angles, and they gave you 100 degrees down there, and then they got a question mark right here. So this is kind of the one they want to know. How much is this one? I don't know. Let's see. Well, hey, what did they tell you now? Remember, like I always said, always step back and look at these problems because they tell you a lot. You just got to figure what they're telling you and what do you know of the rules from what they're telling you. Okay? So they're showing you this, okay? And they're telling you by those double lines on each one of these angles that each one of those angles is the same number of degrees. Well, there's two ways to know it. If you know that an equilateral triangle, okay, like up here, okay, has the same number of degrees in each, hey, you know it's going to be 60. But also you know that all triangles up in the top here, all triangles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so if there's three angles and they're all the same, 3 goes into 180, 60. So that tells us that this angle here is 60 degrees, okay? But now another rule. I'm going to draw a line up here to the opposite angles. See it right there? Opposite angles are equal. So that means if this angle is 60 degrees, this one down here is also 60 degrees. Okay, so that's 60 degrees. Okay, now we know that this symbol here stands for 90 degrees. Okay, see, they're telling you a lot. You just got to look at all the things they're telling you. Okay, so now you know each triangle is 180 degrees. So we have a 90 that they told us. We calculated a 60. That means we got how much? 0, 1, 5, 0. We know that it's going to be 180 degrees. So how much more do we need? We need 30 more. 30 more degrees to 180. Okay? So that means this angle here is 30 degrees. Right there. 30 degrees. Now, so let's see. I'm going to draw this bottom again. They got this straight line. They got this angle here. And this one's 30. This one they told you was 100. And they want to know this one. They got a question mark. Okay? And that's the one we got to solve. Okay? But also, one of the rules, it's called a straight line rule. It's up the top here. It's right beside the triangle. That straight line rule. That says a straight line is 180 degrees. So if we got 100 and we got a 30 and we need 180, what do we lack? We're lacking 50 degrees. So that means a question mark equals 50. And that's it. So let's square this off. The question mark equals 50. And that was all there was to this. So remember what I told you. Every time you get a problem, look at it and say, hey, what are they telling me? What rules do I know that I can use in this problem? And just work piece by piece by piece. Never panic. Always stay straight and say, hey, I can solve this, okay? And even if you can't, so say this is like real hard and you say, hey, I can get this far. This is killing me. I'm eating up too much time. Go on to the next problem, okay? Come back to this one. And just go and say, hey, what are they telling me? What do they got? And you will solve this, okay? And if you like this YouTube video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. You have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.